is. Oh, he's down. There's a bunch in there. Ho ho. That is a big buffalo.
This is a young bull, but destroy the land.
And they have no predators here, right?
Big croc will grab him, but we don't really see crocs grab big animals like this. They're so powerful.
All right, boys. Hey, will you guys go get some firewood? Make a big pile of firewood. Just watch out for snakes. Yeah, Tommy, you spotted that one, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
And grab your slingshot.
Yeah.
They've got to get this animal cut up and put away very quickly, otherwise the meat will spoil.
We eat the stomach will be chopped out.
They're throwing a slab of some buffalo ribs right on the fire here.
Let's go selling welling what?
Piece of meat on his steak.
Deep tongue. Yeah, this is a liver here. Yeah.
Dad, can I, Dad, can
Nathan, you guys want to try some of this?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bag.
It is too.